Let's look at this. It says, without using table, evaluate this. As you can see, the first thing you should be watching out for is special angles. 60 is special angle, 30 is special angle. Therefore, quickly, be very quick, draw out the diagram for these special angles. From here now, you can get everything you want. Now, let's start. 1 plus tan 60, opposite over adjacent. Square root of 3 over 1. I can decide not to put the over 1, just put square root of 3 for tan 60. Opposite over adjacent. Multiply by tan 30. Tan 30. Opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent. That is 1 over the square root of 3. Here, the same thing we had here. So you can see same. Same. Square root of 3. Here, same. Plus 1 over square root of 3. You agree with me? This and this will cancel. Numerator is 1 plus 1. Denominator is square root of 3 plus 1 over square root of 3. Here, the best thing to do is to rationalize the denominator before we even move further. This will give us what? Square root of 3 over 3. Where you rationalize. Then you find the LCM of this. 3 square root of 3 plus square root of 3. Okay? It means here, we are going to get 4 square root of 3 over 3. So this will replace everything at the denominator here. Okay? That is 4 square root of 3 over 3. That is to say 2 over 4 square root of 3 over 3. We can flip this to become 2 multiplied by 3 over 4 square root of 3. So this here 2, this here 1. That is to say 3 over 2 square root of 3. Now we still rationalize the denominator here. To have multiplied by this over this will give us 3 square root of 3 over 2 multiplied by 3. This and this will cancel. We have square root of 3 over 2. This is the reason why it is good to know your sword. Sword is essential for trigonometry. The reason why I treated this first before trigonometry, okay? If you have not checked my sword class, go and check. This is just what you need to remember. Then put the values. The remaining thing or the remaining ones is just what? Sword, sword, sword. Hope this is understood. Thank you for viewing.